In a world saturated with choices, a growing number of people are finding solace in simplicity. This shift away from excessive consumption towards intentional living is what we call minimalism. Minimalism is more than just a trend. It is a profound lifestyle shift. It encourages us to focus on what truly matters. People from all walks of life are embracing minimalism. They are discovering the liberation that comes with owning less. Minimalism is about making conscious choices. It's about investing in experiences rather than accumulating things. This minimalist movement is a response to the overwhelming nature of consumerism. We are bombarded with advertisements. They tell us we need more to be happy, but often the opposite is true. Minimalism offers a refreshing alternative. It is a path to contentment and fulfillment. Consumerism is deeply ingrained in our society, shaping our daily lives and influencing our decisions. It encourages us to constantly acquire new things, always seeking the latest and greatest. We are told that happiness lies in the next purchase, that fulfillment is just one click away. This cycle of buying, consuming, and discarding takes its toll on our planet and our well-being. It affects us financially, emotionally, and environmentally, creating a burden that is hard to escape. Financially, consumerism can lead to debt and financial stress, trapping us in a cycle of spending beyond our means. We work longer hours to buy things we don't need, sacrificing our time and energy. This leaves us with less time for things we truly value, like family, friends, and passions that bring real joy. Emotionally, consumerism can fuel a sense of emptiness, a void that material possessions can't fill. The pursuit of material possessions can never truly satisfy our deepest needs, leaving us wanting more. It's like trying to fill a bottomless pit, an endless quest for satisfaction. We buy more and more, yet the void remains, a constant reminder of our unfulfilled desires. This constant striving for more creates anxiety and dissatisfaction, a never-ending cycle of want. It keeps us trapped on a never-ending treadmill of consumption, always moving but never arriving. Our planet bears the brunt of our insatiable appetite for more. The production and disposal of goods consume vast resources and generate pollution. Fast fashion, with its trend-driven cycles, is a prime example. We buy clothes, wear them a few times, then discard them. This disposable mindset contributes to overflowing landfills and environmental degradation. The environmental impact of our consumerist habits is undeniable. We are depleting our planet's resources at an alarming rate. From deforestation to plastic pollution, the consequences are far-reaching. Minimalism offers a more sustainable way of life. By consuming less, we reduce our environmental footprint. We make a conscious effort to purchase ethically and sustainably. Minimalism is not just about owning less, it's about living in harmony with our planet. At its core, minimalism is about intentionality. It is a conscious decision to live with less and focus on what truly matters. It's about aligning our possessions with our values and aspirations. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about making room for what brings us joy and fulfillment. This might mean simplifying your wardrobe, decluttering your home, or being mindful of your purchases. The key is to surround yourself with things that spark joy and purpose. Minimalism encourages us to live more deliberately. It empowers us to make choices that align with our values. It's about focusing on quality over quantity, experiences over possessions. It's about creating a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Section 5. Decluttering your space. Decluttering your mind. One of the first steps in embracing minimalism is decluttering. This means going through your belongings and deciding what you truly need and what you can live without. This process of letting go of what no longer serves us can be incredibly liberating. It frees up not just physical space, but also mental and emotional space. It's about creating space for what truly matters. When we remove the excess, we make room for the essential. When we declutter our physical spaces, we often find that we declutter our minds as well. The two are deeply interconnected. The act of tidying up can be therapeutic. It's a form of self-care that helps us feel more in control and less overwhelmed. It allows us to examine our attachment to material possessions. We start to understand what we truly value. It helps us identify what brings us joy and what we can let go of. This discernment is key to living a more intentional life. It helps us identify what brings us joy and what we can let go of. This discernment is key to living a more intentional life and what we can let go of. Letting go is not just about losing things, it's about gaining freedom. As we let go of physical clutter, we often experience a sense of mental clarity and peace. Our minds feel lighter and more focused. We often experience a sense of mental clarity and peace. Our homes should be havens of peace, not sources of stress. Our homes should be havens of peace, not sources of stress. By creating a serene environment, we foster a sense of well-being. By decluttering and simplifying our surroundings, we create a sense of calm and order in our lives. This order extends to our daily routines and habits. We create a sense of calm and order in our lives. This newfound clarity allows us to focus on what truly matters. It helps us prioritize our time and energy. This newfound clarity allows us to focus on what truly matters. We can dedicate ourselves to our passions, relationships, and personal growth. Section 6. Finding freedom in financial minimalism. Financial minimalism goes hand in hand with simple living. It's about being mindful of our spending habits and making conscious financial choices. It's about breaking free from the cycle of debt and consumerism. Financial minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about aligning our spending with our values. It's about prioritizing experiences, relationships, and personal growth over material possessions. By spending less on things we don't need, we free up resources to pursue our passions. We gain financial freedom and the ability to live life on our own terms. This might mean downsizing your home, driving a used car, or cooking at home more often. The key is to find what works for you and your lifestyle. Section 7. Minimalism and sustainability. A powerful partnership. Minimalism and sustainability are intrinsically linked. By consuming less, we reduce our impact on the planet. We become more conscious of the resources we use and the waste we generate. Minimalism encourages us to embrace a more eco-conscious lifestyle. This might involve choosing sustainable products, reducing our energy consumption, or adopting a plant-based diet. Every small step we take towards a more minimalist lifestyle contributes to a healthier planet. Minimalism is not just about decluttering our homes. It's about decluttering our lives and our planet. It's about creating a more sustainable and equitable future for all. Section 8. Embracing minimalism, a gradual journey. The beauty of minimalism is that it is a personal journey. There is no one-size-fits-all approach. It's about finding what works best for you and your lifestyle. Start by identifying areas of your life where you feel overwhelmed or burdened by possessions. Maybe it's your closet, your kitchen, or your digital life. Take small steps towards simplifying and decluttering. Don't feel pressured to get rid of everything at once. Minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices that align with your values. It's about creating a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Section 9. Finding joy in simplicity, real-life stories. Countless individuals have experienced the transformative power of minimalism. They have found joy in simplicity, freedom from financial burdens, and a renewed sense of purpose. Take, for example, the story of Leo Babauta. He's a writer and minimalist who advocates for simple living. He emphasizes the importance of mindfulness, intentionality, and gratitude. His journey is a testament to the transformative power of minimalism. Stories like Leo's inspire us to embrace minimalism. They show us that it is possible to live a fulfilling life with less. These stories remind us that minimalism is not about deprivation. It's about creating space for what truly matters, our passions, our relationships, and our well-being. Section 10. The transformative power of minimalism, a call to action. Minimalism is more than just a trend. It is a profound lifestyle shift that has the power to transform our lives and our world. By embracing simplicity, intentionality, and gratitude, we can break free from the grip of consumerism and find true contentment. Minimalism encourages us to focus on what truly matters, allowing us to create a life that is both meaningful and fulfilling. Imagine a life where you are surrounded only by the things that bring you joy and serve a purpose. Take a moment to reflect on your own life and consider what brings you true joy. What activities, relationships, and possessions add genuine value to your life? What values do you want to live by, and how can you align your daily actions with these values? Minimalism can help you align your actions with your aspirations, leading to a more intentional and fulfilling life. The journey towards minimalism begins with a single step, a small but significant change. Start small, be patient, and embrace the transformative power of less. Over time, these small changes will lead to a profound transformation. The rewards of minimalism are well worth the effort, bringing peace, joy, and fulfillment. You might be surprised at the sense of peace, joy, and fulfillment that comes from living a more intentional and minimalist life.